There's an open left. There's an open left to everybody. Eastgate coming last year. I would try and bring you the feeling of what you missed. I would try and bring you the experience, these words. Won't work unless you close your eyes. This picture, 1,000
landed right there. And I was like, what?
In the crowd.
And he just moved.
Yep.
And
Threw it in the bag.
No, I think his bull came and grabbed it.
Oh.
His bull came and grabbed it. And the guy was just in his face, blah, 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 blah. And then the lady gets in there and she's like, just leave him alone. And then another guy goes by, just leave him alone. And I'm standing like, come on guys, pick and roll. Y'all don't know how this works, pick and roll.
Right.
And then the third guy walks by, come on man, just leave him alone. And as he walks by, it was like a magic show. He just disappeared. Just disappeared and vanished. And I'm like, all right, everybody man up. Everybody roll out. Time to go.
Yeah.
So it was a moment in history, you know. It was a moment in history.